Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done speaking at Owen Intermediate School here in Belleville, Michigan, proud home of the Tigers. And it was a beautiful day. Afternoon, I got to speak to grades 5 and 6 following some of their honors and award programs, honoring those that are really showing improvement academically and just really shining stars. But it was such a beautiful experience for me, just getting to share my heart here, because I saw that the need was truly present. So many students that came up to me after both of my talks wanted to share their heart, whether it was something that like a past hurt or something that they're currently going through. That for a lot of them it was just some of the stories that I share of other youth in pain throughout my bullying message, that it just touches their heart because they can kind of relate, or that they can't imagine people being that mean. But what I always tell them to focus on is that we can always choose to turn that pain into greatness, that hurt people can become healed people who heal people, right? If we fully let love enter our heart and start to heal us, and that we can finally see everyone, no matter how they're born, whether they walk different, talk different, see different, learn different, whatever it might be, that we still can show this unconditional love and compassion. And like the shirt says, one race human, that we're able to see everybody around us as human beings before anything else too. And part of this ties back into knowing and having to really understand our own worth, our own value. We see that right on our palms engraved, the M's on each of our hands, the lines of our hand that show the letter M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, that we know that we are worthy of love to give it and receive it. And that word was spoken true today by so many students and staff that said that their heart was touched. And if it was, that means they have a big heart. And now it's up to us to go share that gift with other people by how we choose to treat them and really see them for who they are inside, see them for the heart first before anything else, and see them like we see our own best friend. So thank you guys so much for touching my heart. So it was, again, a great moment in my life to get to meet all of you and see some of you again that I saw last school year at some of your elementary schools. But hopefully I get to come back again and share my heart in the future. Until then, much love, peace.